3D printing has completely transformed how creators, engineers, students, and hobbyists bring ideas to life. Whether you're building functional prototypes, artistic models, mechanical parts, or detailed miniatures, having the right 3D printer makes all the difference. But with so many options available, from high-speed Core XY machines to beginner-friendly starter kits and ultra-detailed resin printers, choosing the perfect model can feel overwhelming. Some printers focus on speed and productivity, others specialize in precision and intricate details, and some are built specifically for beginners who want a simple, plug-and-play experience. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best 3D printers that deliver performance, reliability, and creative freedom. Let's start with our number 1 pick. Number 1. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M Pro 3D Printer. Taking the top spot is the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M Pro, a high-speed powerhouse built for serious creators. With a maximum travel speed of 600 millimeters per second and acceleration up to 20,000 millimeters per second squared, this printer brings your ideas to life incredibly fast. The nozzle heats to 200 degrees Celsius in just 35 seconds, saving valuable preparation time. Despite its speed, print quality remains exceptional. The Core XY structure and all-metal frame provide outstanding stability during high-speed movement. Multiple nozzle sizes, from 0.25 millimeters to 0.8 millimeters, allow you to balance detail and speed depending on your project. It uses automatic pressure-sensing bed leveling, ensuring flawless first layers without manual calibration. The dual-sided PEI build plate makes model removal quick and tool-free. Smart features include app-based remote monitoring, real-time progress tracking, filament detection, resume printing, and auto shutdown. Its dual air circulation system also helps maintain a cleaner printing environment. With a 280 degrees Celsius full metal direct extruder, it supports materials like PLA, ABS, PETG, ASA, TPU, PC, PLACF, and PETG-CF. If you want speed, automation, and professional-level performance, this is the best overall choice. Number 2. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D Printer. At number 2 is the popular Creality Ender 3v3 SE, known for reliability and affordability. It offers printing speeds up to 250 millimeters per second with 2,500 millimeters per second squared acceleration, reducing print time while maintaining quality. The upgraded Sprite full metal dual gear direct extruder ensures smooth filament feeding without slipping. It performs exceptionally well with PLA, TPU, and PETG. For easy setup, it features CR Touch auto leveling and an automatic strain sensor for Z offset. You don't need manual adjustments, just start printing. Its dual Z-axis lead screws reduce wobbling, and the Y-axis linear shafts improve long-term precision. Assembly is quick and beginner-friendly, taking around 20 minutes from unboxing to first print. If you want a balanced printer with strong community support and solid performance, this is a fantastic option. Number 3. QIDI +4 3D Printer. At number 3 is the powerful QIDI X+4, designed for advanced users and professionals. It offers a large 12 by 12 by 11-inch build volume, allowing multiple models to print simultaneously. Built with a Core XY structure, it maintains high speed and high precision performance. Its second-generation active chamber heating system features 400 watts heating power, dual-layer insulation, and air circulation to reduce warping when printing high-temperature filaments. The upgraded 80-watt hot end reaches 370 degrees Celsius, supporting advanced materials like PPS-CF, PPA-CF, ABS, ASA, PC, PA, and PET. It includes remote monitoring through the QIDI app, real-time tracking, filament break detection, and an HD camera for time-lapse recording. With dual-motor Z-axis control and reinforced linear shafts, this printer delivers durability and consistent precision. If you need industrial-level performance and wide material compatibility, this is a powerful investment. Number 4. ELEGOO Mars 5 Ultra MSLA Resin 3D Printer. At number 4 is the ELEGOO Mars 5 Ultra, perfect for ultra-detailed resin printing. It features a 7-inch 9K monochrome LCD with an 8520 by 4320 resolution. The 18 by 18 micrometer XY resolution captures extremely fine details and sharp textures. Using innovative tilting release technology, it achieves speeds up to 150 millimeters per hour without requiring special high-speed resin. A built-in AI camera monitors prints in real time, detecting errors and allowing time-lapse recording. It also includes automatic leveling and a one-button self-check system to reduce print failures. Wi-Fi transfer and multi-machine network control help maximize productivity. If you focus on miniatures, jewelry, or highly detailed models, this resin printer is an excellent choice. Number 5. Fully assembled mini 3D printer. Rounding out the list is the beginner-friendly TINA 2S. This fully assembled starter kit includes 10 meters of PLA filament, preloaded models, and necessary accessories, perfect for kids and beginners. Its compact size makes it ideal for homes, classrooms, and dorm rooms. It features auto-leveling, a dual Z-axis rail, a 2.4-inch LCD screen, and a flexible magnetic build plate for easy print removal. With one-touch filament loading and pause/resume functionality, it keeps operations simple and stress-free. It's compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux systems, and supports popular slicing software. If you're new to 3D printing and want a simple starting point, this is a great entry-level option.
That wraps up our top 5 best 3D printers. If you want speed, automation, and professional performance, the Adventurer 5M Pro is the clear winner. For affordable reliability, the Ender 3 V3 SE is a strong second choice. If you need high-temperature material support and a large build area, the QIDI X+4 stands out. For ultra-detailed resin models, the Mars 5 Ultra is unmatched. And if you're just starting out, the TINA 2S makes 3D printing easy and fun. Choose the printer that matches your skill level and creative goals, and start creating today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.